Hey there, home cooks! This is why you need to follow us for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Today, I'm going to take you on a delicious journey to Italy with a classic recipe, pasta alla Matriciana. Trust me, this dish is a game changer. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need guanciale, pecorino cheese, tomatoes, and of course, some good quality pasta. If you can't find guanciale, pancetta works too, but guanciale is the real deal. Start by cutting the guanciale into small cubes. Heat a pan over medium heat and cook the guanciale until it's crispy and the fat has rendered. This is where the magic happens. Next, add a can of crushed tomatoes to the pan. Let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes until it thickens up nicely. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Simple, right? Meanwhile, cook your pasta in a pot of boiling salted water. Remember, the pasta should be al dente, firm to the bite. Once it's cooked, save a cup of pasta water and drain the rest. Add the pasta to the tomato and guanciale sauce. Mix it all together, adding a bit of the reserved pasta water to get that perfect silky consistency. Sprinkle generously with freshly grated pecorino cheese. And there you have it, pasta alla Matriciana. So simple yet so flavorful. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy cooking, everyone!